Welcome back to Cash Management Quick Tips. Today we're talking about credit card expiration dates. So you'll see here on this 8th W Amex, I have some transactions. I know they're not all paid off because I've got this one that I can delete. And I'm going to go add a charge payoff here, but I don't see it in this drop down. I also try to reconcile, and this also happens if you try to put in a transaction, and I got this error. So if you ever see this and you're ever missing a card from your dropdown, it's probably due to the expiration date. So to update that and to remedy our errors, we'll go to Cash Management, Accounts, Credit Card. And there's not on either list view a way to quickly see by default that it's expired because the statuses are just active and inactive. You can configure the columns to show our expiration dates here, but that's a custom view and most people don't customize your views for your credit card accounts list. So we'll go in and edit and update our credit card. So our expiration date's now correct. And then I'll hit cancel and we'll do a new charge payoff. We'll hit add. And now 8th Wonder is there. We can go back. We can actually post this transaction I was working on. There you go. So if you ever have any questions about the expiration dates on your credit cards, put them down in the comments and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.